All right, the first thing we need to do is we need to get you a domain name and some web hosting. So what I want you to do is go ahead and go to my website here, bestseoclass.com. Okay, you're going to type that in your browser, and then I want you to go where it says SEO resources. Just click right there. Then I want you to click where it says build a free website. I want you to click right there. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Now we're going to decide on your domain name. I'm just going to make one up. You can put whatever you want. If you're a church, you could put the On Fire Church. If you sell shoes, you can say the best shoes. Whatever you want to put for your domain name, I'm just going to say my website tutorial. Okay, and it needs to be available. It will let you know if it's available. All right, good news for me. Mine is available. Then I'm going to click build a free website. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. You want to put in your email. Okay. Then you want to put in your name. Then you want to put in a username. I'll just say Pastor Dre. And then you want to put in a password. You got to make up your password. All right. Once you put all that stuff in, you're going to click to go to my account now. All right. Once you log in, you want to go ahead and set up your profile. You want to upload an image. You want to add a description. And this is going to be your trainings that you've started. And this here, you want to add your goals. Now, once you do that, we're going to go over here. You don't have to do this, but I would recommend you to do that because this is your profile. It's like a community. Go ahead and click where it says websites. See where it says build a website? Click that right there. Okay, now you want to click where it says free domain. Click there. You've already got your domain in. I'm just going to add mine in again. My website tutorial. Okay, let's enter a name for your website. We're going to call this free website tutorial. And we're going to choose this theme here. And we're going to click build my website. Now it's actually setting up your website. So this is, we're going to get you your domain name. And this is going to get you your hosting. All right. So let's go ahead and let that do what it has to do.